What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what you just saw there was the first and only run that I ever got out of the TO4E, and that was at about 29 psi. After that, turbo was done. Now with the Ford GT35 here, I decided to test my luck, and here's the result. And just like that, guys, the car is officially in a single digit, and it's pretty insane they can do that in a random street surface. Now keep in mind, guys, this is literally the third time that I try to launch this thing, so I know there's probably another half a second in there that I could shave off just by practicing and launching it a few more times. But that is gonna be it for this episode, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.